I would say the transportation is the big issue for my work because I have to go to my student's house. If I had better mode of transportation, my work experience would definitely be better. Do you drink coffee or tea in your country? I would say that tea is the most popular drink in my country, and it is not that expensive. Whereas coffee is much expensive than tea. So yeah, tea is definitely more expensive in my country, and we actually grow tea in our country. So it is so you can find tea almost every corner of the street. Why do you think it is? Well, we are one of the largest tea leaf producer in the world, so which is the reason why tea is so popular in my country. What do you prefer personally? Actually, I'm not a I'm not a hot beverage drinker. I neither do I like to drink tea or coffee because every time I try those things, I tend to burn my tongue. So yeah, I don't like either of those things. How often do you use maps? Uh, every time I go to a new place, every time I have to navigate a certain location, I use maps. So maybe every other day I have to use the Google map. When do people usually need map? When you go to a new location, when you go to somewhere where you have never been before, then you definitely need a map. Do you prefer electronic or paper maps? I have never actually used a paper map to locate something. I have a paper map in my room. It is just for the decorative purposes. But if I actually need to go somewhere, if I need to identify something, find some specific location, I prefer to use electronic map because it is far more versatile than the paper map. It has a lot other feature. You can adjust it to your preference. So yeah, I definitely prefer electronic maps. Do you ever ask for direction instead of using map? Uh, I am not an extroverted person. I prefer to be just with myself, and I prefer not to interact with a lot of other people. So if I can, I would not ask other people for direction. If only I have the proper internet connection and working smartphone in my hand. However, if I see that my phone is not working, if I am unable to find the location using my electronic map, that I would definitely ask the help of the local to find that location.